If there's one thing I've learned from being on YouTube, it's this: model what's already working. I know some people get uncomfortable with that idea. It kind of feels like you are copying or not being original, right? But let me be real with you. This is one of the biggest secrets to growing fast on YouTube. And the truth is, most of those big YouTube gurus, they won't tell you this because they'd rather keep you stuck, spinning your wheels, buying their next overpriced course. Now, don't get me wrong. YouTube does reward creativity, right? But that doesn't mean you need to start from scratch every single time. You don't have to reinvent the wheel to win, okay? The fastest way to grow on YouTube is to study what's already working, figure out why it works, and then add your own unique twist. You aren't cheating. It's the smartest move you can make, okay? Because channels that lean into trends, follow proven formats, and understand what the YouTube algorithm loves, they're the ones racking up the views. And you already know, more views equals more money. And here's the cool part. TubeMagic makes this whole process so much easier. So let me break it down for you real quick. TubeMagic AI is like your YouTube research assistant that never sleeps, okay? It digs through the highest performing content on the platform and hands you trending video ideas, catchy titles and thumbnail concepts, optimization tips, all tailored to your niche. Whether you're into tech, beauty, gaming, fitness, psychology, or anything in between, it shows you what's trending right now and helps you turn it into your next big hit. There's even an upgraded feature now where you just drop in a keyword or topic and boom, TubeMagic pulls up a list of top performing videos complete with stats so you know exactly what's working and why. This AI is like your personal spy for top trends, okay? Now, remember I had previously made a video on TubeMagic AI a month ago? Well, they've rolled out even better features and powerful upgrades. Upgrades so good, I had to come back and share because it makes growing on YouTube even easier, okay? And if you're serious about making money online and growing a real channel, do me a favorite and hit that subscribe button. On this channel, I keep it real with strategies, tips, and my own journey so you can skip the fluff and start winning, okay? So without wasting any time, let's get to see how it all works in real time. Once you are logged into TubeMagic, the first thing you'll notice, the interface. It's super clean and super beginner friendly, right? Everything's grouped into 3 powerful phases that walk you through the content creation process like a roadmap. The idea and research phase. This is where the magic starts. We have got video ideas generator, community post ideas. Lately, community posts have been doing an amazing job of boosting subscriber growth and engagement across different channels. Video research tool, which happens to be one of my favorites for spying on what's popping in my niche. Keyword research, niche explorer. Perfect if you're still figuring out your content lane, plus it helps you find niches with high RPMs so you don't waste your time making videos that don't pay off. And right here is scripting. Using these features, you can generate a full script from scratch or use the article to script tool. Just drop in a blog post or article and boom, you've got a video script ready to record, okay? This phase saves you hours of time and helps keep your content structured and engaging. And the final phase, upload and optimize. It's all about getting your video ready to rank and perform its best, from title suggestions to video tags and optimized descriptions. It's all here. And guess what? The video description tool just got even better with built-in timestamps. If you've ever added timestamps manually on YouTube, you know what a headache it can be. Now you'll save tons of time and even boost your video's visibility. Because according to YouTube updates, timestamps are a secret weapon for the YouTube algorithm. Pretty cool, right? Well, the thumbnail generator just got a major upgrade too. Now you can design scroll-stopping thumbnails in just minutes. It's super easy, super fast. Now let's kick things off with the ideation phase. And one of the most useful tools here is the video ideas feature, because video creation begins with an idea, right? You can get the next video topic idea for your channel right here. Just add your channel link or username. For example, I'm copying and pasting my channel name here, then clicking on generate. After a few seconds, right? You'll see a suggested topic. TubeMagic suggested that my next video could be create viral art with 0 skills using Midjourney 5.0. You can see it's related to my channel, right? If you don't like it, just use the generate button again to get more ideas. These are all related video ideas as well. This is nice. AI Side Hustle 2025. Did you see that? In this way, you can get new ideas, okay? You can even get viral video ideas from other channels. For example, let's say we are in the Bible animation niche, so to speak, okay? And if I enter this channel named The Power of the Word of God, I get Bible-related video ideas from that channel. By the way, this guy just started his channel about a year ago and already has over 22 million views with just 75 videos. And they're making between $700 and $12,000 every month, according to Social Blade Analytics. Isn't that massive? So you want to model a channel like this, okay? If your channel is related to a popular channel, you can take ideas from there too. Now, once you're satisfied with the suggested video ideas, just click on Generate Script and the AI will create a video script based on your selected template, okay? But just hold on, we'll get to that shortly. Now let's go to my favorite tool, Video Research, which is super useful to find a viral video topic. This tool is best for finding trending topics because it helps you understand how likely your video is to go viral, okay? Let's say I want to make a video on the topic of OpenAI image generator. I'll see videos already uploaded on this topic. The important thing here is the filter option. Like if I want videos that got 10 to 100,000 views and were uploaded only this month, I can see how many views such videos are getting. This gives an idea of the topic's demand. What if I tried ChatGPT 4.0? These are all great ideas for my channel, okay? And I hope you get the point. Similarly, if I look up YouTube automation topics uploaded this week, I get clear results of videos uploaded within the week. So this is a perfect tool to research and to select topics for your videos. The YouTube automation niche is really high in demand and much easier to break in. Now, not only do you get a clear understanding of videos that are trending on that keyword, right? But you get to see their thumbnail styles and titles, which you can now model since they are proven to work, okay? Next, let's talk about keyword research. This helps you know the search volume of your topic, like how many people search for it monthly, okay? For example, if I search YouTube automation, I see all related keywords and their search volumes. About 1 million people search for it monthly, right? And the competition is medium, so it's helpful for selecting viral video topics, okay? If we check the search volume for OpenAI image generator, it's around 120,000 with medium competition. This tool can help you find those early viral videos because the higher the demand, the more likely your video is to be seen. Now, once you have the video idea, topic, and keyword to go for, the next step is to create the script. And that takes a lot of time and effort if done manually. But with TubeMagic, it becomes super easy. The scripting tool here is now very advanced, but first let's check the video to new script feature. You can paste any video link and it will generate a similar script based on that video, okay? For example, I'll copy any of the Bible in a nutshell video and paste in. It will generate a script based on that video. You can even use ChatGPT to translate this script to your preferred language or even tweak it a little if need be. Add emotion or feelings into it, okay? This feature is really helpful for channels similar to Bible in a Nutshell, where you can rewrite historical, news, or story videos and create new ones from them, right? Now let's move to my second favorite tool, Video Script. Here you get different formats for scripting. These scripts are quite unique and include all important points. There's even a separate option for short videos. To try this, you just need to give some basic details about the video. I'm using the title of a Bible in a Nutshell video. After a few seconds, TubeMagic gives a short script. The intro is engaging and it ends with a like and subscribe call to action, okay? So you can easily create short video scripts by just giving the title or context, right? Next is the how-to template. This gives you scripts for how-to style videos. You can even decide the script length. Usually an 800-word script fits a 3 to 5 minute video. I'll try it with how to stop procrastination as the topic. Within a few seconds, you get a full script in steps. If you can even post it in your local language, just translate it with ChatGPT and make it even better, okay? You also have script outlines. Then there's list videos, which is quite interesting. You can create top 5 or top 10 kind of videos. For example, I chose top 5 Toyota car of all time. After generating, you get a script suitable for 5 to 10 minute evergreen videos. After video ideas and scripting, the next step is video editing or creation. You can check out other videos on my channel for tutorials on that, okay? Now for this optimization feature, any of the 3 options can work depending on what you need. If you have an existing video you want to optimize on YouTube, make sure it's set to published or unlisted mode, okay? Just add your video link. I'll use a random video link I found on YouTube. After generating, the tool analyzes the video and gives you optimized titles for search as well as a new description. This title is very similar to the original, right? Beautiful. And if you're not satisfied, you can even regenerate it again. These are the core features that truly help automate YouTube content creation and save a lot of time, okay? All right, let me leave you with this. I repeat, you don't have to reinvent the wheel to win. You just need to model what's already working, add your own unique flavor, and stay consistent. Even the biggest YouTubers take inspiration from others, okay? And that's exactly what TubeMagic helps you do. From finding trending video ideas to generating full scripts, titles, and thumbnails, all tailored to your niche. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube automation channel, now's the time. Leverage what others in your space are already doing, okay? If this video helped you out, do me a favor. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what niche you're diving into. Now go take action by clicking the link in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one.